Yo, what is up, gang? Today in this video, we're going to be kind of talking about how 90% of the people probably lost money in this day in the market and how we actually finished making $4,600. Absolutely insanity and absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and dive into these charts, explain exactly what I look for and exactly the trades that I took and how you guys can catch these too. So in the market, NQ, you guys can already tell if you guys have already watched this, because again, market's already closed for a Tuesday, but we went down, down. And a lot of people, when the market opened, you can see this massive move to the downside. Everybody's like, holy cannoli, we're dumping and we're dumping hard. And there's two things that people do. Thing number one that people do is that they try to chase it. Oh my goodness, I want to catch this. I'm going to miss out on the opportunity. Please let me catch it. And you guys chase the trade. No. Why? Don't do it. Another thing people do is they see this massive retracement back to the upside and they think, wait, hold on. The market can potentially go back up. Let me go long. And then they get stopped out and then they want to go short again. And then they get stopped out again. And then they're just absolutely just blew an account, angry at the market, or just start revenge trading, get emotional, and then they just quit in 5 seconds. So how did I take the trades? What made me want to take a trade? And how were we on top in the market? Let's show you. So again, you guys don't know that I'm a key level trader. I only trade key levels. So if we're looking at this and we can see that obviously what do we want to do? Draw out our key levels. If that is a resistance level, if that's a support level, that's what we want to do. Draw out our key levels. So again, what do we do on a higher time frame? Because we always want to go to higher time frames. We draw our key levels. We got pre-market yesterday lows right here, and we got lows on the hourly time frame here, 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 and here. Okay, so that's something that we probably can go to. When I saw this big move, I'm like, where can we target? Where most likely will the market NQ want to go? And exactly just like I told you, it came all the way and touched all these lows and actually continued selling off, touching this main level all the way down here. But again, let's go to a small time frame and show you exactly how we were able to capitalize on those profits. So let's zoom in here. And I'm like, okay, well, here's pre-market lows right here. How did I know those pre-market lows? Well, it's pretty simple. We just chart out our pre-market lows. Boom. Simple, easy, straight to the point. And now what we do is, what do I wait for? I love waiting for a huge displacement, kind of saying, you know what, this is where the market's going to go today. Retracement to form a lower high, and then a continuation. So for example, we have that break of structure, break that level of support, which is a confirmation for me to want to go short, right? And for me to want to go short, I'm going to be like, ooh, let's form a lower high and look at this lower high being made, high, lower high. And then all I look for is an entry right at the next break and then the continuation to that previous low. And that's exactly the trade I called out with my team in my Discord. Again, if you guys want to join me every single day with my Discord, be able to trade live with me, learn the markets, and actually be a profitable trader, it'll be down below. You get 5 days on me for free. So we can see right here, we entered shorts off of 23,706 and took profit at previous lows. Now I'm a scalper. I get in, I get out, I make my money. Okay. Now the next trade I would have called out is I wouldn't even be looking for a short unless what happens? We break these lows, retrace back up, and then sell right back off. But since we came all the way back up, I'm going to target again the next area of resistance. So we have a resistance level here, and guess what? That's the VWAP as well. So I have the VWAP confirming that we have a level of resistance, and we have that previous level of resistance right here. So I'm like, just like before, we do the exact same thing, and that's how simplistic the strategy is. And then we come right back down, take shorts at the level break right here, target take profit at lows, boom, 40, 50 points in your pocket, 40, 50 points in your pocket, still making those lower highs or a double top. And that's all we do. Now the market again, in today's answer market, we dropped over 328 points. We dropped over 328 points, which is massive. These last 2 days in the market was really, really boring. Really, really bad, but who cares? We had a massive day today. And again, I make it simple. If you guys watch this video and this makes sense to you, give me a like. If it makes sense to you or have questions, put it down in the comments. And that's all we have to do. You guys have to understand, when we take these trades, when we take these positions, it's not about, oh my goodness, how much money can I make? But it's about how well is the volume, how well is the market moving, and is my setup there? I don't get FOMO if the market continues dropping. I don't get FOMO if we come all the way back up. I wait for confirmation. I wait for the market to say, Will, we're doing this, this, and this. I'm going to go ahead and take that and that trade. And that's all we do. So again, if you guys like the video, amazing. If you guys already joined the team, welcome to the team. And that's again how we made that $4,600. profit.